Hello everyone, my name is Jay. I want to welcome you out to another episode where I have the opportunity to help you to speak better English. Today we're going to talk about the English phrase, zip your lips. Zip your lips. Zip your lips is a phrase that expresses to someone that you want them to be quiet immediately. You don't want them to say one word about something that you have told them, or you simply want someone else to be quiet. And so you would say, zip your lips. I have a couple of examples that you could use zip your lips in a sentence as it pertains to speaking in English. So let's look at some of the examples that I have. The first one, you may say, don't tell your mother about the surprise birthday party. You better zip your lips. So if the birthday party is a secret and you know that there is someone that knows about it that likes to talk, you're going to tell that person, look, you need to zip your lips. Let's look at another example. You may say, will you zip your lips? I cannot hear the movie. Will you zip your lips? I cannot hear the movie. So of course, when you're watching a movie, you want it to be quiet so you can hear the plot of what's going on. So you would tell someone, please zip your lips. Now, I wouldn't tell someone zip your lips that I did not know. If I'm in a movie theater, they may be ready to fight or start an argument. I would just tell them, please, could you keep it down? I can't hear the movie. But I wouldn't tell them, you better zip your lips. Okay, another example would be, what I told you about my grandfather is very important, so zip your lips. What I told you about my grandfather is very important, so zip your lips. Okay? And finally, I wish she would zip her lips. She doesn't know what really happened. So when you have someone that's constantly talking or gossiping, you would just say, I wish she would zip her lips because she's spreading rumors or lies. She doesn't know what she's talking about and you want her to be quiet. So zip your lips. Or some people just say, zip it. And oftentimes when someone uses the phrase, zip your lips, you'll see them go, zip it. Or they'll just zip it or zip it. Okay? Zip your lips. Leave me a comment and let me know, how would you use the phrase, zip your lips? Leave that down in the comments section. Let me know, how would you use the phrase, zip your lips? I'd like to say thank you to all of the new subscribers here to the channel. If you're not a subscriber and you have learned something, please give me a like and subscribe. I upload content various times throughout the week, at least 2 to 4 videos a week to help you speak better English. And if you have learned something and you know someone else that desires to speak better English, please consider sharing my video on social media or on your WhatsApp. Well, until next time, I hope you join me here on my channel where I can teach you how to speak better English. Have a wonderful day and may God bless you.